Okay, so on this problem, it is asking for some information on a parabola. Parabola is basically a U-shape, and all of these are U-shapes. So it says here, the axis of symmetry. You're like, well, I do not know what that is. Okay, fine. It says, but this equation, which is the function of p, this equation has exactly 1, 0. If you remember that the 0, it is where it's crossing the x, it's saying it is exactly 1 time on the x. So let's look at that one first. That one's like the easiest one. This is your x-axis, and you go all the way across, and it's only crossing there at -3. And that's it. So this one is only crossing once. Look at C, it's crossing here and here. So this one automatically does not fit this criteria that they're giving you. Look at B, it's crossing at -6 and at 0. So again, it's crossing more than once, so this one's not it. And look at D, it is crossing right here at 3 only. So this one is only crossing once. So it's between A and D. If that's all you remember, then just answer between A and D. And now look, something about x and -3. So here's my x, -3. Okay, it's touching that little parabola, that little u. And over here, x, -3, there's no activity in -3. So you know what? It cannot be D. So you can use, I mean, some of these questions are just common sense. Is there activity in the number that they're giving you? But what is the axis of symmetry? This is a new word, and they're going to ask you only one question on this, that it is the middle of the graph. So basically, you go to your highest point, in this case it's A, all the way up. And that is, if you draw an imaginary line going up and down, you're cutting, it's like if you're cutting this U in half. And that is what the axis of symmetry means. The axis of symmetry is, you know what, the middle of the graph, it is at x equals to -3, and it is correct. That's why on this one, our answer is A. Just remember, axis of symmetry is the middle of the graph. It's you're cutting the graph in half at that point. In this case, the answer in here, it is A. Remember the 0, it is where it crosses the x-axis.